Hello students, now I am going to deliver a lecture about shape memory alloys. This is one topic in modern engineering material. Shape memory alloys are a unique class of metal alloys that can recover its original shape. The SMAs have two stable phases, the high temperature phase called austenite and the low temperature phase called martensite. Shape memory alloys are metals which exhibit two very unique properties. One is shape memory effect, another one is super elasticity. Shape memory effect. These alloys are a unique class of materials which remember their shape even after several deformation. That is, when a SMA is once deformed into the cold shape, that is called martensite, these materials will stay deformed until heated, where upon heating they will spontaneously return to their original predetermined hot shapes, that is called austenite. Superelasticity. Superelasticity refers to the ability of SMA to return to its original shape upon unloading after a substantial deformation. This superelasticity based on stress include martensitic deformation. This superelasticity in SMAs occur at a constant temperature when the alloy is completely composed of austenite phase. What is the meaning of austenite and martensite? Austenite means it's a high temperature phase of SMA. It is having a structure of cubical crystal structure, that is very symmetric structure in nature. Martensite is a low temperature phase. Whenever that material gets a low temperature, it deforms that martensite state. It is in the form of a monoclinic crystal structure. There are two types of martensite. One is a twinned martensite, another one is detwinned martensite. Types of shape memory alloys. There are two types of shape memory alloys. One is one-way shape memory alloy, another one is two-way shape memory alloy. One-way shape memory alloy means the material which exhibits shape memory effect only upon heating are said to have one-way shape memory. In contrast, some of the material exhibits shape memory effect both during heating and cooling. Hence, these materials are said to have two-way shape memory alloys. Classifications of shape memory alloys. The shape memory alloys could be broadly classified into two types: temperature induced shape memory, another one is stress induced shape memory. Temperature induced shape memory transformation. The phase transformation takes place in SMAs not at a particular temperature but over a range of temperature. This deformation is called temperature deformation. The graph shows that changes of the material between temperature and then phase. The temperature induced deformation is characterized by four temperatures MS and MF during cooling and AS and AF during heating. These MS, MF, AS, AF, these things are available in that graph itself. MS, AF, MS, MF and AS, AF. MS and MF indicates the temperature at which the deformation from the parent phase austenite into martensite starts and finishes respectively. Similarly, AS and AF indicate the temperature at which the reverse transformation from martensite to austenite starts and finishes upon heating. Thus, it is observed that the overall transformation has a temperature range of 10 to 15 degrees Celsius depending on the chemical composition of the alloy. This overall transformation is found to exhibit hysteresis in which the transformation on heating and cooling do not overlap. This hysteresis H is found to depend on the composition of the alloy system. Stress-induced transformation. This is another type of SMA. The stress-induced transformation takes place at a constant temperature. The temperature of this system is constant. At a temperature above the AF temperature, the martensite phase can be induced by applying stress over the austenite phase. So this the diagram shows the variation between stress and strain. So in strain we are taking as in x-axis, stress in y-axis. When stressed above a certain value, the austenite phase undergoes a large elastic deformation. Stressing beyond the elastic limit will result in permanent plastic strains. On the removal of the stress, the material almost completely recurs to the parent austenite phase at a much lower value of stress. Nitinol, that is called a NiTi alloys. Ni means nickel, Ti means titanium. So nickel titanium is a type of shape memory alloy. This is a very best alloy in a shape memory alloys which has high shape memory strain. For a nitinol alloy, a temperature of 400 degrees Celsius and heating duration of 1 to 2 minutes can be sufficient. At 500 degrees Celsius and over 5 minutes are used. Higher heat treatment times on temperature will increase the actuation temperature of the element and often give a sharper thermal response, reduce the maximum output forces. So these are the advantages of nitinol. The figure below shows nitinol ability to change its shape along phase planes. Other metals, as we know, slide along slip planes when there is an induced stress. So first one shows that change in that phase of stainless steel. The second line shows that super elastic, that is nitinol. The advantages of SMAs: biocompatibility, diverse field of applications and good mechanical properties. These are the advantages of shape memory alloys. Disadvantages of SMA: highly expensive, that is a very disadvantage, and poor fatigue properties. Applications of SMA: in a medical field, SMAs as dental arc wires. These wires will make the misaligned teeth gradually to return to their original shape, exerting a small and nearly constant force on the misaligned teeth. SMA are also used as blood clot filters, and nitinol needle wire localizer are used to locate and mark breast tumors so that subsequent surgery can be more exact and less invasive. Bones. Broken bones can be mended with shape memory alloys. The alloy plates has a memory transfer temperature that is close to body temperature and is attached to the both ends of the broken bones. Biological applications. It is in our bone plates. Memory effects pulls bones together to promote healing. Surgical anchor, blood clot filters, eyeglasses. Flexible nitinol wires. It is used as have a ability to flex the robotic muscles according to electric pulses sent through the wire. Optometry. High glass frames made from titanium containing SMAs. These frames are usually made out of shape memory alloys that have their transition temperature set below the expected room temperature. This allows the frames to undergo large deformation under stress yet regain their intended shape once the metal is unloaded again. Thank you.